the truth about weight loss. I'm gonna put y'all onto the real. Your weight loss is gonna reveal to you a lot of dumbass people who are gonna say dumb shit to you. A lot of people have used your weight as an excuse to beat you down and to tear you down. You have to understand that some people just have hate in their hearts and they really just don't like you, and it's never been about your weight and it's never gonna be about your weight. So if people's opinions about you don't change, or you know, or if their opinions about you do change, whatever the case is, you have to ignore everybody's opinions and just continue to work on you. The scale, let me tell you, okay? Honestly, you can't decipher on the scale between muscle and fat, and at the end of the day, muscle weighs more than fat. So you're not gonna know if you're just gaining muscle from, you know, your strength training workouts, or if you're gaining fat because you were eating bullshit all last week. So what you want to do is get you some Waistbeads. I'm gonna put y'all on to where I get my Waistbeads from down in the description box, but get you some Waistbeads because the Waistbeads are basically going to drop around your midsection. And honestly, the best thing for measuring your weight loss is taking like a video of yourself, like just circle around in the video, have on your sports bra, keep it for your own personal records. Or what you could do is, you know, keep some Waistbeads on you, some permanent Waistbeads around your waist. That way you can see the Waistbeads falling as you lose weight. I don't know who needs to hear this, but work with what you got, sis. Stop buying all this shit. You done went and bought an Apple Watch. Let me tell you that this lifestyle, for sure, it's an investment, but what you don't need to do is go broke. You can lose weight with what you have, and that mentality of scarcity and you always gotta buy something in order to execute on something, you have to throw that mentality out the window. When you start off, it's gonna be super hard. Like when I used to go to the gym when I was first working out, like my workouts used to be so trash. Like I used to be out of breath, I used to be nauseous, I would feel sick, the whole thing, like feeling like I'm about to die. Everything was just a hot mess. It was me doing my best at that time. So if you're unmotivated at first, you feel defeated, like you have to understand that things will get better the more consistent you are. So don't just go off of how the first week is going, how the first 2 weeks is going. You have to marry this journey. You're gonna have to tap into this transformation mentally and like mentally get in the zone. You're trying to have a big transformation, and this isn't like, oh, I just need to lose 10 pounds for, you know, your little vacation. Like it's gonna take some mental transforming. So, you know, just understand that you have to be patient. This leads into my next point, but I really just like touched on it. You know, it's a marathon, not a sprint. R.I.P. Nipsey Hussle, but yeah, it's facts. That's really all I gotta say about this point. Diet is key. I talk about this on my channel. Check out my what I eat in a days. Check out my basically all the content on my channel. Check out my Instagram. Yeah, diet is key. I'm vegan, I'm plant-based, I'm all of that for a reason. If you eating bullshit, it's not gonna happen. You know, it's a lot of people out here doing keto. You can do keto, that's cool, whatever. But at the end of the day, like, we want to be healthy. We want to live long lives. Like, we don't want to just lose weight. So you don't want to be shortening your lifespan because you're eating cheesy steak for dinner because it's keto friendly. So you're gonna lose weight and then you're gonna live to 60. Like, anything that's causing you inflammation, bloating, acne, anything that's showing your body signs and symptoms that it is unhappy with that food. For example, if you're lactose intolerant, like, eliminate dairy. There's just so much to it. So pay attention to your body and the foods that your body likes and eat as healthy as you can. like, because diet is key. Anything that you do in the gym is honestly just going to complement your diet, and you're not gonna be able to eat McDonald's and have a sustainable weight loss. So just make a mental note, and maybe after this video you can go watch the rest of my videos, or you can find somebody else here on YouTube putting you on to just how to eat a healthy diet. And yeah, that is this video. If y'all enjoyed it, please give this video a like. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to get to 2K followers. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, y'all. I appreciate y'all. I love all of y'all. Peace and love.